How to fix Facebook error fetching data. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Now open your Facebook and scroll down, click on storage. On storage you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Click OK, and then you have to back. Click now on force stop and click also OK. And now you have to go to notifications option. You have to disallow it and allow it, and you have to back and go to battery, and you have to click on optimize it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another